Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Edgett. Today starts the first week of mandatory learning. So I'm going to, in this video, go over everything that you guys need to complete this week. Now, each week you're going to be seeing a document that looks just like this, and it has everything laid out, and you have all of the links to access the different documents in here. So I just wanted to go over it because it looks like a lot at first. So the assignments, everything that I want you guys to get done this week is in this first box. So I kind of chunked it all together here. And the deadline for all of this work, everything is due at 8 p.m. on Sunday night. So you have about a week to get through this. So what you're going to do first is you're going to read Walk Two Moons, chapters 20 to 23. So we are picking up right where we left off at school. And like we do in class, we follow along on the text while we listen to the audiobook. I would like you to do the same. Here I have, if you click on this link, and I'll click on it here, this is the PDF of the chapters. So you'll be able to read it here. And then if I go back for the audiobook, you click here for the audiobook. This link is going to bring you right into the chapters, okay? And you just click into these and it will read the book for you. After you're done reading, we have questions to work through in Google Classroom, 9 questions. This is going to be posted under assignments. Just like if we were in class, I would normally put documents under assignments. And then it's going to be titled Walk Two Moons chapters 20 to 23 questions. So you'll find that in there. Something else that you guys need to get done this week is you need to take your vocabulary quiz. Now you can do this any day. So if you feel comfortable with the words and like you're ready to go, you could take this today on Monday. If you still need time to study, you could take this near the end of the week. Now something I want to mention is you can only take this one time, and it's on a Google form. So just make sure you're actually ready to take it before you start, because I'm not going to let you guys take it more than once. Okay, and you would just click here for the quiz. Number 3, extra practice opportunities. When I show you the sample schedule below, I say spend 10 minutes on extra practice opportunities. What I mean is you can choose from any of these activities. So you get to choose what you want to do. So we have studying, we have read your own book, Get Epic, Scope, No Red Ink, IXL, and Free Write. For Free Write, if you actually click into here, it'll bring you to 3 prompts that are kind of fun. So I know some of you enjoy free writing, so that's an option that you could work on. All right, so at the bottom, I have a sample schedule, and I'm going to be posting this right on our Google Classroom stream. So I would like you to, as much as possible, follow this schedule. I tell you exactly what to do for each day. And you'll see I have 30 minutes on Monday, 30 minutes of work Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and then Friday is a catch-up day. So this is for if you fall behind on any of your other activities, you know, Friday, Saturday, or even Sunday can be catch-up days. All right, so today is Monday, so today I would like you to read chapters 20 to 21. I want you to study for your vocab quiz, and then I want you to pick an extra practice opportunity and spend 10 minutes or more on that. All right, so this will be available to you in your email, in your parents' email, and in Google Classroom. So reach out if you have any questions. I'm available pretty much anytime during the day if you need any help. All right, good luck. Have a great week.